Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. In this pop-up, in order to disable location, select Close, then go back to Tab menu. As you can see, location of my REALME is off, but you can always switch it back on by tapping on the same no wait icon. If you want to, you can always go into Settings instead. Scroll down and choose Location section. Then manage it by tapping on this switcher to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!